Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago, jewelry commercial. Well, this is my subject today and kind of busy image, isn't it? Well, these three necklaces, which is so cute, nice jewelries, but the image I shot, this is kind of busy look, and I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Fine Edges. This image is real nice. I mean pencil drawing type. I really like this as a pencil drawing type image. Well, but this shot is so looks like a real kind of busy image. So I want to make something simple and a nice, clean, nice feeling image from these two images. Much make it more simple and nice colors. Like image will I feel like hanging wall type stuff. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna based on this image, but I checked that change blend mode to check it out. As always, find something different. This is nice color of the road, isn't it? Yeah, light image, it's okay. Well, and also I should change, make a nicer color of the stones. Like green, blue, red. This is okay, but kind of harsh look, isn't it? Even the stones. I don't know. Let's see what I can do. This is soft red image. This is kind of nice, soft. This is much more just illustration, isn't it? Very interesting though. That's nice. Well, luminosity. Oh, yeah, it's pretty nice. Well, I like this. Okay, let's fix one image like this. Select multiple, then select layers. Now merge selected. Now I got the one image of this. Maybe this is the base image. Let's see, just leave this one. This is the way. Then let me change. I remember that let me turn this one off now. Then let's see, go back to there was a vivid, this kind of illustration colors. This may be interesting. Shows only get colors from these stones, just like illustration. Yeah. Now, what if just add, turn on this image, just add the color of the stones on this image. How's that? Well, let me see. Let's see it. Like make mask. Well, create empty mask, then just hide. This is kind of interesting. Okay, rough pencil, hide these stones. What do you think? It's already, I got the illustration now. Now, well, I want to make something touch soft image from this. Maybe add color. Okay, I'm gonna add layer. Okay, turn this image off now. Then add this layer. I want to see, since this is Fresco, so I'm going to use watercolor brush, watercolor wash flat. Change brush to wash color, watercolor wash soft. Okay, let's see. Now change the brush again to dry media to pastel square this time. Then again, hide some. Okay, almost. That's nice. Now I'm gonna clean up some. I don't want this blue color that's come from right here. Right. So I'm gonna make mask on this image. Create empty mask. Now I'm gonna hide on here too. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna add layer, then fill in this layer with white pixel. Now again I'm gonna create empty mask. Now again hide with pixel square. Just soften. Okay, now we have this image here, right? I'm gonna duplicate layer, then bring this one up, then just cut mask, create empty mask, now invert mask, then use the brush basic to, well, soft around opacity. There's the stones. Now, first of all, brightness contrast on this layer. This is gonna affect only underneath. Well, it doesn't matter, huh? We have mask already, so. Okay, let's see about this stone. Brightness. Oops. Well, effect underneath. How's this? Oh yeah, now it's only 4 stones. Brightness and contrast. Then maybe opacity down to show illustration image more, huh? Only here. That's right. Maybe 80%. Okay, let's see. Maybe tone down just a touch more. Yeah, maybe 60 is fine. Well, I guess that's it for today. That's it. Yeah, make it soft, and we see that jewelry as a main, and it's not that busy look compared to this, huh? Original. Well, what do you think? Okay, well, pretty quick, huh? But it's nice, I think. Much better than first image. That was this one, right? This is the first image. Yep, that's it. Well, thank you for watching my video, and this is it for today, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I really appreciate for you guys' support, and you guys have a nice day. Let's be creative life, and well, see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.